This is a work in progress, but I basically have 3 scenes set up. One is this ASCII effect with the background siloed from a third-party app that allowed me to do that with my webcam or my monitor cam. And another is black and white ASCII effect without the background siloed and this color changing background, which I'm still in the middle of trying to figure out how to incorporate the third, but this is a work in progress and I'll just go over what I have based on my learnings. So I have this scene selector that is literally a base I created and custom component with a snippet of Python that allowed me to basically refer to this data table that points out these 3 scenes. So I created a tag for each of these called scene and used the operation find parameter to find everything labeled scene, a null to create a table that is able to be referenced. And then from there, I connected all 3 of the scenes to a switch. And this switch has an index that I used MIDI input with my Ableton Move, which is my MIDI device. So it recognizes it. And I created a select to select a specific key. And when I press that key, based on the index here, it will switch to another scene. So a very rudimentary VJ rig, but I feel like it's a great starting point for anything performance-based, where if I'm pressing a note and I want the projection mapping behind me to change, it can. And I'll go ahead and demonstrate that once I go into performance mode, as I have everything going out through this window. So yeah, sorry. Yeah. So let me turn this up so you can hopefully hear the sound. Go ahead and it'll be fun to utilize this in different dynamic ways due to the ability to just have any scene of effects that I want within this comp, and hopefully figure out how to toggle between 3 scenes versus 2. So that'll be my next challenge. But I feel like so far being able to utilize what I've learned from Music Hackspace has been really helpful with bridging the gap between my desire to create more music and then to also create live, fun, interesting visuals. So hopefully I'll be able to expand upon this. But yeah, I'm glad I was able to get to the starting point.